Hello beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel about somatic embodiment. My name is Eva and today I want to talk about giving too much. I'm laughing because I have these beautiful flowers and they're making me really happy. They smell amazing, and I'm laughing because this video is sort of also a reminder to myself. And it comes from my own personal experience as a therapist, as a facilitator, that lately I also had many clients who themselves were a facilitator of sort of, or body workers, healers. And I realized that often what happens is that if we are people whose devotion is to really be at service for others, for whatever reason our journey brought us there, whether we are healers, whether we are therapists, but we really are devoted to help others to become better selves of themselves. We have to make sure that our cup is filled first and that we are giving from the overflow. What do I mean by that? Well, if I myself am depleted and I myself am not giving to me what I need, what I am then giving to other people, it's coming from a different source. It's coming from me instead of coming through me. And in the long term, this is not sustainable. So there are few things we can make sure that we don't go there, because I think energetically also, as I said, it's not sustainable, and it's not, there's too much ego involved. It's almost like I am healing somebody, I am teaching somebody, and it's about me, but it shouldn't be about me. It's actually about the other person. And so I think a huge practice that can help in this scenario, and I mean this is something that being taught to me from my sort of teachers, is when I work with somebody, I try to become the empty vessel. I try to become the channel. So even if I'm teaching a class, if I'm facilitating a workshop, I ask the universe that the energy goes through me, that I receive it and it goes through me to whoever needs it or asks for it. So in the end, I'm not doing the work, but actually the people who I work with, they're doing the work, and I'm just facilitating the right environment. I'm just sort of being the right mirror. I hold the space in a way that they can receive, but the information is, or the energy is not coming from me, but it's coming through me, sort of from the space behind me, through me, from the source. And for that, we need to become empty. We need to take away the ego of I am the savior, I am doing this and that. So that's super important. Then the second thing is life. Life happens, and sometimes we as facilitators, we are not in the right space, and so it's important to check in and once in a while be like, okay, I need to pause, I need to take this time now for myself, and I need to give myself what I'm suggesting other people to do. I need to look at it if I'm also be able to do that for myself. And sometimes we have to say no, sometimes we have to set boundaries, and also sometimes we are still able to give, but just from there to there. And it's important to be okay with that. It's important to feel that that's perfect as it is. In the now, this is where I'm giving from here to there, and from there to there I am not able to, and it's perfect. It's perfect. I'm giving enough. And then the last thing is I think what's also very important is because when I work with people, I really connect to them. I sort of, in order to help them, I feel like I need to really tune in into their field. And so before and after the session, there's certain preparation that I do. And especially after the session is really a cleaning, cleanse, energetic cleanse, disconnecting, and making a clear distinction between my energy and their energy and whatever I've received from them, and clear that from my field, because otherwise it kind of can collect, and then also I become not able to receive my own energy. So again, this video is specifically for all of you out there who are doing an amazing job and you are at service, and yeah, it's these 3 simple things, but they make a big difference in the long run, and that's it. I wish you a beautiful day. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so. If you haven't liked this video and you like this video, like the video. And also just I would love to hear from you, whether you also have your own personal practice of as a facilitator or therapist or healer. What do you do? Because I'm sure there's many other ways, so I want to also hear from you. Thank you so much, guys.